to 29% of 4 million. Parang ganun ba?
Current population.
Yes. So ilan yun?
Sir Chair. Can we check po?
Yes.
Sir Chair.
We are waiting for the response of DepEd. May I acknowledge the presence of the gentleman from the 6th District of Bulacan, the Honorable Salvador Plato. Welcome. Yes, so ilan tayo, Director Peterman?
Sir, we're still verifying with our
Yes, so
data group. Yes.
submit rin to the committee, ano? Ilan yan? Pangalawa, submit to the committee ilan yung sa total population na yon ang nakakuha ng NC2 at ilan lang yung NC3. Pero offhand, I think you already know that konting-konti lang ang NC3.
Yes, Your Honor. Majority will be NC2.
Sige. Yung tanong kanina ni Honorable Stella, tungkol sa accredited ba yung school programs ninyo sa TechVoc? Again, sabi mo konti lang yung accredited?
Hindi po karamihan, but not the big majority are accredited.
What is the consequence of you offering TechVoc programs that are not TESDA accredited? Because under the law, TESDA ang ano siya, ang in charge ng dapat for the PQF. What is the implication of that?
Mr. Chair, we have division order, Department Order 54, which actually sets the guidelines.
Yes. Okay kami dyan. The question is, DepEd academic kayo, di ba? You're in charge of academics. You are the one supposed to tell the Filipinos that this learner they passed enough competencies to go to college. Pero alam rin natin, pag skills ang pinag-uusapan, under Philippine law, that is TESDA. Di ba? So when you adopted a TechVoc track, should DepEd have not talk to DepEd and ensure na yung mga ino-offer ninyo ay programs accredited with TESDA? Hindi ba dapat gano'n?
Opo, Mr. Chair. Respectfully, before any course, TechPro course is offered in the high schools, that has to be number one, recognized by TESDA.
But then you just told us hindi siya accredited.
Mr. Chair, yung po you meant yung mga schools po but the courses are all
okay. What TESDA, ano yung ina-accredit niyo? Yung school o yung program?
By program.
By program. Balik tayo sa'yo. Para hindi kasi para diretso yung usapan.
Opo.
Okay. Sa lahat ng ino-offer niyong TechVoc program sa DepEd 11 and 12, lahat ng program ay registered or accredited by TESDA?
Aligned po yung mga training regulations.
What does aligned mean? Bakit aligned ang ginamit mo? Ang question sa'yo, is it registered or accredited by TESDA? TESDA, is it registered? All programs given by DepEd accredited or registered programs with you?
Hindi po sila dumaan sa Unified Tibet Registration and Accreditation.
Okay. Since hindi sila dumaan doon, ano ang consequence mo?
The schools and their equipment are not inspected by TESDA. And they're not monitored as to the delivery po.
But when that is related to PQF, hindi ba kayo yon? Hindi ba kayo magsa-certify na NC1, NC2, NC3 siya? Kayo yon, di ba? TESDA.
Yes po. Yun po yung ultimate way natin of quality assurance.
But in reality, that is not happening.
Sa ngayon po, yung grade 12, meron na po silang mandatory assessment. But doon lang po sa dulo.
Yes, but hindi ba dapat bago introduce yung program, dumaan muna sa inyo para nasabi ninyo sa DepEd, okay yan, accredited namin yan, ito yung kailangan yung gawin, ito yung competencies, para mabigyan namin hanggang NC3 and 4 yan. Tama po ba o mali?
Yun po yung quality assured na delivery.
Yes, so sa ino-offer nila programs, ilan yung alam mong quality assured ng TESDA? Sa 100% that they offer, they give you a list also. May list kayo kasi nagbibigay na kayo ng NC2. I think Teacher Stella introduced an innovation before na binigyan na kayo ng pondo para automatic libre na yon. So dapat alam na ninyo kung ano yung programs nila kasi nagbibigay na kayo ng NC2. So sa 100% na programs that are offered by DepEd, ilan doon ang programs ang registered or accredited by TESDA? Yung totoo. Wala namang problema. We're trying to fix the system na.
Wala po pa kami. We will look into the data, Mr. Chair. Pero
wow, you go to this committee knowing that that is going to be the ilang araw na, ilang weeks natin pinag-uusapan. Itong and then you don't know, wala sa tip of your fingers yung mga basic questions na ito.
Wala po kaming listahan ng registered programs.
So, Director Peter Mark, zero ata. Wala raw eh.
Mr. Chair, we will have to take a look at that again.
So you don't also know. DepEd also is not aware if any of the programs that you offer are actually registered or accredited by TESDA sa TechVoc.
From what I know, Mr. Chair, it is because we are not really required to have those.
By your internal department order, not by Philippine law. Hindi ba dapat, you should have also, everything that you do within your department is consistent with Philippine law?
It should be.
Or unless you're a separate republic that we don't know. Were you given autonomy?
No, Mr. Chair.
You were not. Yes, sir, please state your name and the institution you belong to.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chair. I am at TechVoc School since 2008. I think I am appropriate to comment on this. Somag National High School is a TechVoc school since 2008. During the time of former President, former Secretary Lapos, 282 TechVoc schools in the Philippines. At ang lahat ng mga programs po namin, billions of pesos was pending by the Department of Education during the time of Secretary Lapos. We started it in 2008 hanggang ngayon po, sir. And I would like to inform you, based on experience, 38 years na po ako sa Department of Education. Nag-start kami ng TechVoc program in 2008. Ang program po namin ng mga schools na sinabi po ng TESDA, accredited yon sa TESDA. Marami po kaming nakapas sa NC2. Praise the Lord, last year, 2024, ang school ko po was awarded by the Presidential Lingkod Bayan Award on TechVoc program. That is why I would like to thank you so much for the invitation because I am a TechVoc major. Gusto ko po talaga na mag-go-on ang TechVoc.
Dr. Roserayan, dali lang. Since 2008, you're saying that you've operated how many schools have been operated?
282 approved by the Department of Education during the time of Secretary
Yes,
Lapos.
dali lang. Relax. Sa 208 schools na yun or programs, ilan doon ang accredited and registered by TESDA?
So far, I cannot speak on the general. Pero ang sa aking school po, 4 na kurso po registered ng TESDA at nakapasa po lahat ng mga estudyante ko po sa TESDA sa TESDA po na examination. Sa general picture po, hindi ko makuha ang data. Pero sa school ko po.
Dali lang Dr. Director Peter Mark, have you been able to talk to Dr. Warlito? Kasi parang mas alam niya eh.
Your Honor, this is the first time that we have actually.
Why is it the first time? Hindi ba kayo nagkakausap with DepEd?
Unfortunately,
because DepEd siya. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Public school po ako, TechVoc school.
Ba't hindi alam ng Central?
Unfortunately, Mr. Chair, I was not there probably when these discussions were already starting because...
Sige, Dr. Warlito.
I would love to...
Yes, Dr. Warlito, ito na yung opportunity after this.
Yes.
I hope you have a conversation with Director Peter Mark in the central office.
Actually, sir, during our 11th Congress at Bohol, our speaker was Yusek Gina Gunong. Sinabi ko talaga kay Ma'am, please utilize the 282 TechVoc schools in the Philippines because the government spending billions of equipment during that time.
Dr. Warlito, before you proceed, TESDA, Ma'am Redelin, could you get also the list of the 208 schools the programs that each of the 208 schools provides na TechVoc and submit to this committee by next week, ano doon ang registered or accredited po ng TESDA?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Because that is the first step to help within the DepEd family na maayos natin yung TechVoc track na yung TechPro track natin. So Dr. Warlito, ano ang pinakamataas na NC na binibigay po ninyo?
During the time of
Now. You still have it now?
NC2, sir.
The highest is NC2.
As of now, sir, NC2.
Alam mo,
Ibig
ibig
sabihin
sabihin ng...
wala pa po kami NC3 as of now.
And
Sa
the
aming
reason
school
for
level,
that is, bakit po? Bakit hindi, alam niyo naman ng NC 1, 2, 3, 4, may ibig sabihin yon sa Philippine Qualifications Framework, di ba?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Eh,
sir.
alam po ninyo, pag NC2, ibig sabihin po nun, may skill pero hindi pa pwedeng mag-isa. Correct? Kailangan pa ng gabay. So,
Tama
bakit
yun.
hindi tayo, kung 2008 pa kayo nag-umpisa, nasa 2025 na tayo, bakit hindi tayo nag-level up? Or is it because, and again, you can be honest, kasi gusto lang naman natin ayusin lack of coordination or support from the central office?
Actually, sir, based on experience, sir,
Yes.
sa as 2008 na pag-implementation ng TechVoc, maraming mga programs pass sa TESDA program. However, nahirapan din kami to correlate at that time during the
Yes.
former secretary po.
Pero Dr. Warlito, I think with Director Peter Mark, who is in charge of Tech Pro, I think pwede niyong mapag-usapan after this committee meeting and the coming days. Baka pwede kayong magbigay ng proposal sa amin dito
Yes,
on
sir.
how we, and of course, importante ang TESDA. Dr. Warlito, huwag niyo kalimutan yung TESDA because sila yung magbibigay ng NC. Kailangan accredited yung program.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank
Sino
you so
yung,
much.
before I call Teacher Stella again, there's another individual who was raising, yes sir, please state your name and the institution you belong to.
Dr. Roland de la Cruz po, National President ng NAPSHI. Gaya po ng sinabi ng kapwa ko po, punong guro din dito. Ang TESDA po ay maraming accreditation at scholarships na ibinibigay. In fairness to TESDA, in partnership with DepEd, ang paaralan po namin sa Manila, bilang Pangulo rin po ng MACSA sa Manila, nagkakaroon po ng pagkakataon na maka-avail ng scholarship through partnership. Ang TESDA po ay pumapartner sa mga private institution na nagbibigay po ng limited. Ito po yung konting suliranin. Limited yung slots na binibigay kasi po medyo mahal po talaga yung mga facilities.
Bibigay niyo.
NC2 po, may mga libre pong nagbibigay niyan through...
No, but any higher NC that you're providing?
Yung NC3 meron din po. Ang mahal po talaga itong katotohanan. Kaya po sasagutin ko yung tanong ninyo, bakit hanggang NC4 or NC3? Yung TM1 po saka TM2, pag in-enroll yan, 15,000 po. Nakatanggap po, gaya ko po, nakatanggap po ako ng scholarship galing sa TESDA through partnership ng private institution. Libre po pag matatapos mo. Pag hindi mo natapos, i-refund mo yung 15,000 na tuition fee. Yun po yung medyo nakakatakot, katulad ko po bilang punong guro. Pagka nag-enroll ka sa TM, kailangan naka-hands-on ka, a-attend ka. Eh pag hindi mo natapos, paano kung masabay sa malaking activity ng paaralan? Ibabalik mo yung 15,000. Pero in fairness to TESDA and DepEd, may mga partnerships pong lumalabas, ibinibigay on a limited and proportionate to each division na na-avail po namin.
Yes, pero sa DepEd kayo, DepEd rin, ano? Sa Maynila kayo? NCR?
National level din po.
National level? Bakit parang very scattered yung tulong sa inyo or yung movement moving forward? Parang hindi it's not a policy parang kanya-kanya Yung mga binibigay po ninyo, TESDA accredited rin ba ang programs ninyo?
Yes po. Unang-una po, para po sa kaalaman ng lahat, ang bawat guro po sa senior high school, hanggat maaari, pag kami po ay kumukuha, TESDA accredited po at may NC2. Yan
Sa
po yung...
DepEd yan?
Opo, DepEd
Yes.
po. Minimum requirements.
Sige, could you give us a list rin? Okay lang po ba? Para ma-counter check namin with TESDA.
Sige po.
Again po, para klaro, Bakit wala kayong NC